Hello students, I'm Bikash and I'm back with the part 2 of the previous video that I uploaded, and where we discussed about the perimeter. And in this video I will try to cover the things that is area, what is area, how to find out the area of different objects, and basically we will try to understand the basic things of area. Okay, what is area, what is the concept of area. Okay, that will be tried myself to be covered. But before we begin, let us see the definition of area. Okay, there are 4 sketch pen I have. Let me only 2 will be using. This one, yeah, these 2 will be used. Okay, if we need, then I will definitely use the third one also. Now the definition, you see, area is the amount of surface covered by any shape. Okay, so area means the space occupied by a certain object. Okay, and here we will continue our, or we can say we are limiting our concept till the 2-dimensional thing. That means we will not go beyond 2-dimensional things. Okay, that about the 3-dimensional things we will study further, but as far I know, in your syllabus, that means the class 7 syllabus, there is no 3-dimensional object. Okay, 3-dimensional object means like cuboid, cube, perhaps the cylinder, sphere, these are called 3-dimensional object. But in this video we will limiting ourselves till 2-dimensional object like square, rectangle, circle and all. But now let us try what is try to understand the concept of area. So as the definition said, the area is the space or surface covered by a shape. Okay, now I have made this one. Okay, I have made this one. Somehow it is very hard to cover this, draw the lines perfectly. These are not perfect though, but let us think that these are perfect. And now I will try to find out the area of, this is my charger. Okay, I will try to find out the area of this thing. Okay, now you can see here there are some small boxes. Okay, a lot of boxes are there, but I have not counted them. So okay, let us try to find out the area of my this surface of this charger, this surface, yeah, this surface. Let me place it like this. I finished it. Now what we will think, that one box. Okay, you can see one box is said, one box, this one box. Okay, this one box, we will call this one box as say, suppose this side. Okay, this side is 1 centimeter. Okay, suppose this side is 1 centimeter and this side is also 1 centimeter. Okay, and we will call this box as, okay, this much area will be known as 1 centimeter square centimeter. It is read as 1 square centimeter. Okay, this much area will be known as 1 square centimeter. Okay, now let us count how many square centimeters are present or are occupied by this shape. Let us count it. If we try to count, we will count this part. Okay, though this is not completed, but still only a few portion is left, but still we will calculate them as one. Okay, this is one box, right? Let us ignore this one. This is more than half. No, more than half will be counted. Okay, 2, and it is not more than half. It is not more than half. Yeah, this is 3, 4. Ignore this one. Ignore this one. Ignore this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it more than half? Let us count it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, that means this shape, okay, this shape, the area of this shape is 14 square centimeter. Why 14 square centimeter? Because it has occupied this, the area of this much box. How many this much boxes are here? This area is here 14. Okay, we have counted it is more than half, no? So that's why we have counted 1. But it is less than half, then these are less than half, that's why we did not count. Okay, we have counted only the complete box and the box that is half filled, more than half filled. Okay, so what we did, we have counted this area and we found that this is 14 square centimeter. Is it clear? Okay, so this is the concept of area. That means we have assumed that if it is 1 centimeter, okay, this side is 1 centimeter and this side is 1 centimeter, so this small box will represent 1 square centimeter area. Is it clear? This box will represent 1 square centimeter area. Okay, now this time we will try to do what? We will try to find out the area of a rectangle. Let me draw the rectangle. Okay, yeah, so you can see this one. Now can anyone tell me what will be the area of this rectangle? Definitely you will count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the area of this rectangle is 8 square centimeter. I told you 1 square centimeter can be written as this one also. Yeah, this one, this like this, 1 centimeter square now, but we read it as 1 square centimeter. So the area occupied by this rectangle is 8 square centimeter. But did you notice that this is 1 centimeter? Yes or no? The box, the small box, yeah, here you see the small box, we assume that this is 1 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. Yes or no? So here in the length, you can, if you measure the length, that will become what? 1, 2, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. That means the length of this rectangle was 4 centimeter and the breadth of this rectangle was 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, that is 2 centimeter, right? So the area becomes, that's why it is 8 centimeter, because 4 into 2, that is 8 centimeter square or square centimeter. Is it clear? So the easy way to find the area of a rectangle is to multiply the length with the breadth. Okay, now let me try to find out the area of a square this time. So this is the area. Now easily you can tell me the area of this square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 9 square centimeter. The area is, yes or no? But in this case, if you see the side of this square, remember the side of the square are always same, yes or no? That means the length of the side, 4 sides will be equal. That means in here what is the length, or what is the length of this side? 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter to 1 centimeter, that is 3 centimeter, and this is also 3 centimeter, no? So the area of this square is 3 square centimeter square. 3 square means what? 9 square. So the square, in the case of square, the area is what? It is equal to the side square. Okay, and in the case of rectangle, the area is what? Length into breadth. So these are the two formula. We got it. Yes or no? So these are the formula to find out the area of a rectangle, to find out the area of a square. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, area means the space or the surface covered by any shape. Okay, you can draw this type of boxes to find out the area of certain shape. So this is the basic concept. Now let us move. Now as I have shown you the formula to find out the area of a rectangle. Now let me write the formula to find out the area of a rectangle. Here I will write area of rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle. These are the I will write down the formula only. Okay, the formula is what? Rectangle. No, rectangle, GLE. Yeah, rectangle is, we represent the area as A. Okay, length into breadth. Is it clear? And the area of square is what? Side into side, or you can say side square. And thirdly, okay, in this video we will limiting our concept, or we will limiting our discussion in between the rectangle and square only. Okay, but in the subsequent part of this video I will definitely upload some videos, and where we will discuss area of different objects like parallelogram, okay, rhombus, right, even triangle, trapezium we will discuss, circle also. Yeah, okay, but today for the in this video we will just continue with the study about the rectangle and square only. Okay, you can note them down. And one more thing, the note the area is always something square. Area is always something square, unit square, centimeter, it may be centimeter square, but it is read as square centimeter. It may be square kilometer. If a huge area, say the area of our Assam, it is like 78,000 square kilometer or something, but in that case, if when you are measuring the area of a large area, say the area of the our Assam, our district, Bismarck district, in that case you have to use this bigger unit, square kilometer. Square centimeter is used when you are going to find out the area of a charger. Okay, or you can use square feet. Yeah, you have probably heard the area of a certain room, living room. Okay, living room is what? 24 144 square feet. Square feet, have you heard about it? Square feet. Yeah, so that is the area of the floor, area of the floor. Okay, if a room, suppose this is a room, and in this side this is 12 feet. Okay, and in this side this is 12 feet. Okay, you cannot see. Yeah, in this side this is 12 feet, 12 feet. Okay, then the area of this room will be 12 into 12, that is 144 square feet, the area of the room. Okay, this is the way to find out the area of any shape, like rectangle or square. Now let us move to another topic, that is in a case of rectangle, sometime you will be given the length and breadth, and you will be asked to find out the area. Okay, yeah, this is one case. Again, sometime you may be asked the length, and you will be given the area and the breadth. Again, I'm repeating, the area and breadth will be given, you have to find out the length. Sometime you will be given the area and length, you will be asked to find out the breadth. Okay, in similarly, sometime you will be asked to find out the area, and you will be given the side of a square. Okay, On the other hand, sometimes you will be given the area of the square and you will be asked to find out the side of the square. Okay, so now we will try to discuss some example. A rectangular garden which is 42 meter long. That means the garden, the length of the garden, length is given, that is 42 meter, right? And the breadth, that means wide or breadth, is given as 25 meter. Okay, it is a garden. Okay, and the question is that find the area, find the area. So what will you do? Simple. We know the formula. Area is what? Length into breadth. So we will do what? Area will be 42 into 25, right? And you see the area in here, the unit used is meter. So the area will be what? The unit of the area will be what? Definitely square meter, right? So 42 and 25, 42 and 25, if you multiply, then the answer will be definitely, just try to multiply it, and I have done it. So that's why 1050 square meter. Just the game of multiplication there, that's it. Clear? Again, another example you see, another examples you see. Where find the area of a square shaped village. The shape of the village is square and the 14 km long. Okay, the side of the square shaped village is 14 km long. 14 km, right? Suppose it is a village and where the shape of the village is square and one of the side is not one of the side, all sides are equal and all are equal to 14 km. Okay, what will be the area of that village? Simple, very simple it is. We know that the area of the square is what? Area equal to what? Side square. That means area will be 14 square. Okay, you can put a bracket. 14 square is what? 196. And unit will be what? You see the unit is kilometer. So what we will use? We will use square kilometer. That's it. So these are two examples, the basic example, huh? Even I think you find it very easy or funny that in the class 7 I am discussing these two examples with you, but it is the basic concept. That's why not all students are aware of these things. That's why we discuss this. Now we will take some different example. Okay, where you will be given, you see this question. Can you see the question? The area of a rectangular plot is 630 square meter. The area is given here, right? The area of the rectangular plot. Suppose this is the rectangular plot, right? And the area of this rectangular plot is 632 square meter. Is it clear? Its breadth is 15 meter. The breadth is given as 15 meter. Clear? The breadth is given. Find its length and perimeter. Yeah, find its length and perimeter. Okay, now let us try to solve this one. Here what is given? You have to write what is given. Given area is given as 630 square meter. The breadth is given as 15 meter, and you are asked to find out the length. Also you are asked to find out the perimeter of the plot. Clear? Now you see, we know that area is what? Length into breadth. Clear? The area is already given. What is it? 630. And what is not given? The length is not given. Let us write it L only. And in place of B, what we will write? The breadth is given already, that is 15. Now you need to find out the L. So with 15, what will you multiply to get 630? That is the maths. So what will you do? The 15 is multiplied here, and we will take it to this side, and it will be the divisor 15. Clear? And if you calculate 630 divided by 15, then just by calculating it, let me calculate. I will try to do in front of you. 15, you must know the table of 15, huh? Those students who do not know the table of 15, let us try to buy heart in this lockdown period. It will be very helpful for you in your future life. 15 4 is 60, and 60, then 3 will be remained here, so 30. 15 2 30. So the answer is what? 42. That means the length, therefore length of the plot is 42 meter. Clear? Then one more thing, the perimeter is, they also ask the perimeter. So the perimeter will be what? 2 into length plus breadth. In the previous video we discussed how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, and there we got this formula, 2 into L length plus breadth. So 2 into L is what? The L is 42 and breadth was 15. So if you calculate this one, 2 into 42 plus 15 is what? 42 plus 15 is 57, I guess. Am I right? And 2 into 57 is what? 52 are 100, 7 2 are 14, 114 meter. So this is the perimeter of this plot. Is it clear? So in this maths, what we did, we are not given the length. Instead we are given the area, okay, and breadth is given. And from this area and breadth, we found out the L length by doing this maths. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, and also they asked the perimeter. Since we do not know the length, how can we find out the perimeter? That's why when we got the length, then we find out the perimeter. Okay, clear. Now let us take another example, another question. Okay, yeah, can you see the question? The perimeter of a square garden is 444 meter. Find the area of the garden in hectares. Yeah, in hectares they ask the area. Okay, but before we begin, before solving this question, let me discuss one thing. R and hectare. Okay, this is very important thing. 1 R is what? 1 R is equal to 100 square meter. Okay, it is a different unit. In place of 100 square meter, we will write 1 R. You can see, yeah, you can see now. 1 R equal to 100 square meter. Similarly, 1 hectare, these are bigger unit, huh? 1 hectare is 10,000 square meter. I'm just running out of my page. 10,000 square meter. 10,000 square meter. Okay, you note it down. 1 R is 100 square meter and 1 hectare is 10,000 square meter. So whenever we get 10,000 square meter, that is equal to 1 hectare. Now you tell me, what if we get 20,000 square meter? This is 10,000 square meter, that is 1 hectare. But if we get 20,000 square meter, that will be 2 hectare. If we get 30,000 square meter, that will be 3 hectare. 40,000 square meter, 4 hectare. Okay, similarly 200 square meter is 2 hectare, 2 R. 300 square meter is 3 R. 400 square meter is 4 R. Okay, now let us try to solve the question here. Okay, in the question, what is given? You see, the perimeter is given the perimeter of the square, and what is it? 444 meter. And they ask us to find out the area. Clear? Is it clear? Now, since it is a square, it's a square, so there is no length, no different breadth, only it has side. Okay, that means only one length. Yes or no? Now, did we forget what is the area, perimeter of a square? The perimeter of a square was 4 into side. If you remember, the perimeter of a square is what? 4 into side. In the previous video I discussed. So 4 into side is perimeter. We know that these things will be written here, huh? We know that perimeter is equal to 4 into side. So in place of P, can we write 444? But remember, my dear student, no need to write a unit here, huh? Again, just leave it, ignore it. 4 into side. We do not know the side, so we will find out the side first. So if you divide 444 divided by 4 equal to side. So if you calculate this one, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So 111. Therefore, the side is equal to 111 meter. Is it clear? Now, area. Therefore, area. What was the formula to find out the area of a square? That was side square. Yes or no? So 111 square. This will be the area. And if you calculate this one, 111 square. 111 square is what? If you calculate 111 into 111. Yeah, 1 2 3 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 square meter. We are not finished yet, because in the question they ask us to find out the area in the unit of hectare, and we have discussed, or we know that 1 hectare is 10,000 square meter. So how many, to find out this square meter and to find out the convert it into hectare, we have to divide it by 10,000. 10,000. We will divide this square meter by 10,000 to get the unit as hectare. Okay, hectare. And if you do so, 1 2 3 4 zeros are there, then we know that just whenever there are zeros, that time you just need to move the point from the end to that many place. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. So 4 places we have to move the point. So the point is here at the end. If there is no point, then you just know that the point is at the end. So how many place we need to move the point to the left side? 1 2 3 4. So 4 place we will move the point. That means 1.2321 hectare. So this is the answer, 1.2321 hectare. Okay, some hectare can be written as, in short, HA. Hectare can be written as HA. So some may write it as HA, hectare, in short. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Can you see the solution of this question? If you have any question regarding this, then you can immediately ask me. Now at the last, let me solve one more example or one more question. Okay, one more. This will be the last question. Okay, I will not try to make the video long, because otherwise you will get bored with the video. Okay, the question is that, what? Yeah, bring the question. Yeah, Now a room measures 12 meter into 9 meter. What is 12 meter into 9 meter? In here that 12 meter is the length and 9 meter is the breadth. The room measurement of the room is length is 12 meter and the breadth is 9 meter. The floor of the room is to be covered by a marble tiles measuring 45 centimeter by 30 centimeter. Okay, that measurement of the tiles is 45 centimeter by 30 centimeter. That's it. That means the length of the tiles will be 45 centimeter and the length of the breadth of the tiles will be 30 centimeter. Now you have to find out how many tiles are needed to cover the floor. Okay, now we know that the definition of the area says what? The definition of the area says that area is something that, amount of space, or you can say, amount of surface covered by a certain shape. Okay, and to find out the solution of this question, what is given here? The area of the room is given. You can see the area of the room is given here, right? Yes, the length is given and the breadth is given. You can find out the area, yes or no, right? And the area of the small tile is given. Now the question is that how many tiles will be needed to fill the floor, to cover the floor. Now it is very simple thing, huh? If we need to find out the total area of the floor and we need to find out the total area of the tiles. The space present occupied by a tile and the space occupied by the room, yes or no? Now simply you need to divide the area of the room by the area of the tiles. Very simple it is. Suppose in that room, in this room, there are, I'm just explaining with another example, very simple example. Suppose there are 10 square centimeter spaces here, okay, and the area of one tile is 2 square centimeter, say 2 square centimeter. Then definitely you can tell me that how many tiles will be filled or how many tiles will be needed to cover this area, because the space, how much space is here? 10 square centimeter. And how much space will be covered by single tile? 2 square centimeter. So definitely you will need 5 tiles, yes or no? 5 tiles will be needed, because one tile can cover 2 square centimeter, 2 tiles can cover how many space? One tile, you see, one tile can cover 2 centimeter square, yes or no? 2 tile can cover 4 square centimeter, 3 tile can cover 6 square centimeter, 4 tile, each one is 2 square centimeter, yes or no? So 4 tile can cover 8 square centimeter and 5 tile cover 10 square centimeter. So how to get this 5? Simply divide this 10 by this 2, right? Because 2 5s are 10. That is how we can obtain the answer. Okay, whenever we'll be asked to find out the number of tiles needed to cover certain floor, that time you need to find out the area of the floor and the area of the tile. Okay, and after getting the areas, just you divide the area of the floor by the area of the tile. That is the solution. Okay, now let us come back again to the question. Now in the question, the area of the floor, let me find out the area of the floor. What will be the area of the floor? Since it is a rectangular shaped area floor, so 12 meter and 9 meter is given. Length is 12 meter, 9 meter is breadth. Length into breadth, so 12 into 9, that is equal to 9 12s are what? 9 12s is 108 square meter. 108 square meter. In this case, what we could do, without multiplying this, we could do, but yeah, just leave it. Now area of the tile. Area of the tile is what? Area of the tile is given that 45 centimeter. I'm writing the area 2, huh? Oh, sorry, unit 2. Why I'm writing? Just you will understand. 45 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Now, 45 centimeter means, you see, this is a square meter and this will be square centimeter. Now the area is different. So that's why we will change the unit to square meter and we will convert this centimeter into meter. So 45 centimeter means how many meter? 0.45 meter, and it will be 0.30 meter, right? So the area will be what? If you multiply this one, then definitely you will get, let me do one thing. We will not multiply this one, huh? We will just leave it. Therefore number of tile needed. Why I have left this one? Because it will help us to calculate the things easily. Now the area of the floor was what? 108 square meter, but I will write the 12 into 9 only, huh? 12 into 9. And in the area of the tile, what I will write? 0.45 into 0.30, right? Now 9 5s are 45, but here 2 place, no, so that's why it will be the, and 0.3, no, 3 by 3 you can cancel this one. 3 4s are 12, and by 3 if you cancel it, 3 10s are 30, no, 0.10. now what is left? In the above here left it is 4, and in the down it is left only what? 5 10s are 50. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Just take this point to the right side. How many places we will take it? 1 2 3. Just after the, at the end, if there is 0 in the decimal part, then it is, it can be neglected. Just there is no 0, huh? You think that there is no 0. Now how many places we will move this point to the right hand side? 1 2 3, so that it becomes 5, and here we will add 3 zeros. 3 places we moved, 3 zeros will be added, like this. Now if you divide, then your answer will 5 8s are 40, so 8, and how many zeros? 2 zeros. That means number of tiles needed is 800. 800 tiles will be needed to cover the surface of the room. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Yeah, yes, in this maths can be done easily just by converting this one. 12 can be convert 12 meter, it is meter, yes or no? You can convert it into centimeter, because 1 meter is 100 centimeter, so 12 meter will be 1200 centimeter, and 9 meter will be 900 centimeter. That time the maths of this point will not be there. You see, you just try it at your home just by converting all the things into centimeter. Now in this case we have converted this centimeter into meter, but you can similarly you could do the 12 meter into centimeter. 12 meter, if you change this 12 meter in this step, 12 meter can be changed 1200 centimeter, 9 meter can be changed 900 centimeter, then 45 centimeter 30 centimeter, you need not to change this 45 and 30 centimeter. That time the calculation will be easier, there will be no point, and the calculation will be easier for you to understand. Okay, and but since I did not do in that way, you at least you try this the method at your home. Okay, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I will definitely upload different parts, subsequent parts of this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.